Hi, I'm Jake Jevedon, and I'm a marketing and international business major at the University of Cincinnati. I'm also a CENGAGE student ambassador, and today I'm going to show you everything you can do with CNOWv2, your online homework platform. CNOWv2 gives you access to e-textbooks, study tools, assignments, and more. Before we start, make sure you've signed up for your CNOWv2 course and that you have an active CENGAGE account. If you need to create an account, hit pause while you go to startstrong.cengage.com and learn how to register for your course. Then you can come back and watch the rest of this video. Okay, so here I'm logging into Canvas. You'll probably access CNOWv2 assignments and content through a learning management system like this: Canvas, Blackboard, D2L, Moodle, or something similar. It'll have links to individual assignments, readings and activities, and these take you straight to CNOWv2. If your instructor hasn't put links to CNOWv2 in your LMS course, you can access everything directly. Just go to cengage.com to log in or create an account. Once you're in CNOWv2, you'll see all your assignments in this column. It's easy to keep track of everything because you can filter by due date, assignment, what you can take now, and more. One thing to note is that your instructor may put due dates in your LMS or the syllabus, so don't forget to check those. Now, I'll show you how to access an e-textbook. From Study Tools, select your e-textbook and find the chapter content that you want. This takes you to the CNOWv2 reader. Think of it as an e-textbook, but with lots of extra features. Once you find the page you want, you'll see several icons in the upper right-hand corner. Click on the speech bubble to have the whole page or a highlighted section of text read out loud. You can also change the font size, bookmark the page, and print from here. To navigate to another page, use the arrows or return to the table of contents. If there are other videos or media files associated with the chapter, they'll be embedded right into the page. Use the cursor to select and highlight as much text as you would like. You can change the highlight colors, add notes, or you can add that section as a flashcard. Be on the lookout for any orange highlights. Those were made by your instructor to emphasize something important. Highlighting is one of my favorite things about CNOWv2. It saves time by helping me focus on key information, and I like to make notes and flashcards so I can use to study for later. Speaking of notes and flashcards, CNOWv2 has a great place to collect all this information. Click the pencil on the sidebar to access your study guides, notes, and bookmarks. You can see I have all the notes and highlights I made. I always print these out before an exam to help me prepare. To access your flashcards, including the ones that come with the book, click the flashcards icon. This will show you flashcards organized by chapter, and you can also make your own. So if you're like me, you need a reliable system for keeping track of assignments and due dates. Well, here it is. CNOWv2 makes it easy to see when assignments are due, which ones count toward your grade, and which ones are just for practice. The assignment view displays the due date, actions you can take to complete the assignment, the number of submissions you have available and how many have been allowed by your instructor, time allowed, and of course, your score on the assignment. Remember, many instructors post links to assignments in their LMS. You can always use those links to go straight to each assignment instead of accessing them through CNOWv2. Either way, you can see all your due dates at a glance in this column. Now, you're probably wondering how to find your grades. You may see them in your LMS gradebook, depending on how your course is set up, but you can also get them here in CNOWv2 as well. Click on Grades in the upper section, and it'll show your assignment scores, submission dates, and any other notes from your instructor. In addition to grades, there are some other metrics that you can check here to monitor your progress. I like to keep an eye on how much time I've spent in CNOWv2, and that allows me to keep track of how I'm using my study time. I hope you find CNOWv2 as useful as I do. If you need help or have any questions, CENGAGE support is available 24/7 by chat, phone, or at support.cengage.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great semester.